So I ordered the X-Tool D1 laser engraving machine, and I thought since I'm a wood burner, it'll be similar. But everything I've read says that I'm going to need some kind of enclosure and ventilation if I want to do this safely. So I started shopping around, looking for plans on Etsy and around YouTube, and pretty much every enclosure I came up against was $100 if you're building it yourself, plexiglass, the whole nine. So I was like, screw that, I'm going to Home Depot. I'm going to buy myself some plywood, some MDF, so on and so forth. That's really expensive right now, too. I'm going to spend $80 on materials to build an enclosure for the size that I need. So I started thinking to myself, what can I do differently? What can I do differently? So I'm going to show you what I came up with and how I spent $20 to make almost the exact same thing that I need. I have not got the ventilation ready yet, but the enclosure itself is ready. So I'm going to show you. So here's where I ended up. This is a $19.88 two-shelf bookcase from Walmart. I used the outside of the bookshelf frame as the box, and then with a couple hinges I've had sitting around the house, I used the shelves. I put the shelf pegs, readjusted that a little bit so that when these come close, they don't fall in. So now I have an enclosure ready to go for my laser engraver, and I'm going to get some kind of hood set up across this middle section where the air is going to vent out. Down here at the bottom of the shelf is where I'm going to put an intake fan and have the cords coming out. But I just wanted to share what I did for $20 versus the 100 or so I was looking at. Now your prices may vary. I had these hinges sitting around already and some screws, so I didn't have to spend any extra money on those. But for me, this was $20. So that's all I got for you.